Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Square Loans Review My Usage Experience. Square Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to research and compare small business loans offered through Square. Its main purpose is to help business owners understand their loan options, eligibility, and potential terms. The target audience is small business owners looking to secure financing through Square. Key features likely include loan comparison tools and eligibility checkers. Their website provides details on the various loan options available through Square. The platform positions itself as a straightforward and transparent resource for accessing capital. Benefits include ease of comparison between different loan products, potentially offering insights into interest rates and repayment terms. It claims to provide a streamlined process, although specific details on speed or ease aren't explicitly advertised. Availability is limited to those already using or eligible for Square services. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Square Loans Review My Usage Experience. I needed a small loan to upgrade some equipment for my online store, and I decided to check out Square's offerings. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged into my existing Square account and navigated to the loans section. The interface was clean and intuitive. I appreciated the clear presentation of loan options, with easily digestible information on interest rates, repayment periods, and eligibility criteria. I could filter results based on loan amount and repayment terms, which made the comparison process very simple. I found the process surprisingly efficient. I got pre-approved within minutes and the whole application process took about an hour. The quality of information provided was excellent. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how straightforward the entire experience was. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise presentation of loan details, allowing for a quick and informed decision. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. I had to use a desktop computer to complete the application. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Square Loans Review My Usage Experience. It streamlined the loan application process considerably, and I received funding faster than I anticipated. That's my overview of Square Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.